Hi there. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch. Nice little customized packaging. It's fairly product specific. It's a pretty sizable box. Definitely has some heft to it. Reminds me of the original iPod, where it was nice and large. Probably unnecessarily so. The charging cable and a dedicated new Apple charger. A manual. Oh, that's very cool. A thing to hold excess links as well as a cleaning cloth. This looks like either a super small Mac Mini or a really large Apple TV, which ironically enough might be kind of close to the dimensions. Here we go. Wow. A nice little divot there for the top of the watch face. Off that part, as well as the area on the buckle. Butterfly clasp opens both ways. Nice and probably way too large for my wrist currently. Yeah, I'll definitely need to take a few links out. Wow, this is pretty impressive. Alright, well that's the unboxing of the Apple Watch.